Yo, man, it's your boy Young Cool. We back, man, after a long time. Today's title of this video is drink water. No matter what your life like, this is how you gonna start to get your life better, bro. All you gotta do is start off with drinking you some water. A gallon a day, man. If you could get yourself to a gallon a day, because I know a lot of people don't like water. You know what I'm saying? But if you could get yourself to like a glass a day. Start off with a glass a day or one of them little, you know them little bottles? Start off with one of them little bottles a day. You feel me? And that's going to start to change your life immediately. You know what I'm saying? Drinking you some water. So, the reason why I say that you would want to drink water, I'm going to give you 5 reasons to drink water. 1, this is going to hydrate your body, which is going to also just keep you, you know what I'm saying, on an up and up, keep you feeling clear, keep you feeling clean. It's going to be that, you know, that's going to get you into feeling good. It's going to be that water, that initial, that, you know what I'm saying, that initial intake of water is what's going to get you going. Number 2, as far as for why you want to drink water, you want to drink water also because it's a cleanse. Anything that's bad you might have been putting in your body, like all them greasy ass foods, you know what I'm saying? All of the, you know, the things like that. You've been eating candy. I mean, you've been having unprotected sex with these girls. You've been doing a whole bunch of, you see what I'm saying? So, bruh, go ahead, cleanse yourself, get you some water in you. Man, number 3, as far as why you should drink water, bro. Number 3, you should drink water because this is going to keep your mouth clean. You know, you eat a lot of junk food. You eat a lot of food throughout the day. You eating a lot of crazy, you know what I'm saying? Your teeth is like everything. Because when you're talking to people, you want people to be able to just have a good impression of you. So you want to be able to keep that water in your mouth that'll keep them little, you know, them little pieces of bread and meat and chips and all that. You've been eating cookies and all that. You've been eating. It keep that kind of like washed down and out the way of the cracks and the crevices. You know what I'm saying? Number 4, man, why you want to drink water? You want to drink water because your body is majority water. So you want to keep fueling your body with what it already know it has and what it needs. You want to keep doing that. Your body is majority water, like I said. You want to keep that up, man. You want to keep the water in there because, you know, we're electric. You know what I'm saying? Number 5, on why you want to drink water. The last, definitely not least, on why you want to drink water, bro, and you, and girl too, you know what I'm saying? The reason why you want to drink water is because this is going to help your natural odor. This is going to help your pH balance. This is going to help you think clearly. You know, this is going to keep all toxins down, washed away. This is going to keep your urinary tract clean. This is going to keep everything clean. So drinking water, just for those 5 reasons right there, are cool. Drink water. It's your boy, Surf Boy Cool, man. I'm signing off, my doggy.